Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. We are going to do today chapter number 4, back exercises. One is family, part A to G. First of all, let us see what is part A. Write true or false. One is in Surat with her family. So this is a false statement. Vani does not live in Surat, so we will write false here. Number 2 is Vani's mother is an artist. So yes, this is true. Vani's mother is an artist. We will write true here. Grandpa tells stories to Vani. No, this is false. Who tells stories to Vani? Grandma tells na. So we will write here false. Sarah is Vani's sister. Yes, this is true. Sarah is Vani's sister. We will write here true. Now part B is write one word answer. We have to just write one word. Where does Vani's family live? So correct answer is Agra. We will write Agra here. What does Vani's father love to do? So Vani's father is a chef. He loves to cook. So we will write here cook. Who is Vani's aunt? Who is Vani's aunt? Mona is Vani's aunt. So we will write here Mona. And who takes Vani to the park? So grandpa takes Vani to the park. So we will write here grandpa. Now let us see part D. Read the words on the word wall. So children, some rhyming words are given on the word wall. Just we have to read. So park, bark and dark are in row 1. Then cook, book and took in the second row. Play, clay and tray in the third one. So we have to write the correct words in the correct boxes. And first one is done for you. Park is written. So rhyming word for park is bark. We will write bark in the second column and then dark. In the same way, double OK words, we will write cook in the first blank, book in the second blank, and last is AY word. So we will write clay and tray, play, clay and tray in the last column. So these all are the rhyming words. They sound same when we speak. Now let us see part E. Who am I? Join the dots to complete the picture. I build a nest. I lay eggs. I can fly. I am a bird. Yes. So we have learnt this concept in EVS also. Yes. I have 4 wheels. I take you to school. I am yellow. I am a bus. Yes, so this is a picture of a bus. Now let us do part F. Read the words in the box. Find them in the word search. So now one box is given here. Few words are written and the same words are written in the word search also, but they are mixed up. So we have to find and highlight the words. Like first one is done for you. Father is highlighted. You have to find another words like aunt is the second. Then is uncle on the topmost. And then is mother and daughter. Yes. Then is son and the last one is brother. So in this way we will complete the word search, and now comes the last part is punctuation. Write our names on the blanks. Begin with the capital letter. So children, 4 children are standing here and they want us to write their names in a correct way. And what is the correct way to write a name? It begins with the capital letter. So first one is my name is Pavan Bora. So we will write P and B capital. In the same way for Ali Hassan, we will write A and H in capital letters. Next is Mona Patel and the last name is Eva Paul. So children, that is all for the back exercises. You have to complete part A to G. Part C we will be doing in the next class in the notebooks. Thank you children. Bye bye. Take care.